Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best push broom handle replacements available in the market, the SPARTA 41225 EC23 Fiberglass Broom Handle. This 48-inch fiberglass handle is designed for commercial cleaning. Featuring a durable Acme threaded tip that fits most standard broom heads. It's crafted with a polyester veil to prevent splintering, and it can withstand forces up to 250 pounds. First off, durability is key here. The fiberglass construction ensures longevity and strength, making it ideal for heavy-duty use. The 3/4 Acme thread is a standard size, so it's compatible with various broom heads, ensuring versatility. Plus, the hanging cap keeps the handle off the ground, promoting better hygiene and organization in your cleaning space. Let me show you how easy it is to attach a broom head. Simply screw it onto the Acme threaded tip until it's securely in place. Compared to other handles, the SPARTA 41225 EC23 offers superior strength and durability. Its fiberglass build ensures it won't splinter or break easily under pressure. Whether you're cleaning floors in a restaurant, office, or even at home, this handle adapts to various environments. Its ergonomic design and sturdy grip make long cleaning sessions more comfortable and efficient. To prolong its lifespan, simply wipe it down after use and store it in a dry place. This maintenance routine will ensure it stays in top condition for years. In conclusion, the SPARTA 41225 EC23 Fiberglass Broom Handle is not just a handle. It's an investment in efficient, hassle-free cleaning. Its robust construction and thoughtful design make it a standout choice in the market. If you're in the market for a reliable broom handle replacement, I highly recommend checking out the SPARTA 41225 EC23. You can find the link in the description below. Thank you for watching today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning!